Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into TradingView, located at https://www.tradingview.com. This platform offers a powerful suite of tools for analyzing financial markets, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your investment journey. TradingView provides charting capabilities with a vast array of indicators and drawing tools, enabling in-depth technical analysis. You can track stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and more, all within a customizable interface. One of the key features is the community aspect, where you can connect with other traders, share ideas, and even publish your own trading scripts. This social element can be incredibly valuable for learning and staying updated on market trends. Real-time data feeds ensure you're always working with the most current information. Beyond charting, TradingView also offers features like alerts, watch lists, and screeners to help you stay organized and capitalize on market opportunities. Different subscription tiers provide varying levels of access to data and features, so you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. From beginner-friendly interfaces to advanced charting functionalities, TradingView caters to a wide range of users. Whether you're interested in day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, the platform offers tools and resources to support your trading style. Exploring the platform's functionalities can significantly enhance your market analysis and potentially improve your trading outcomes. So, head over to https://www.tradingview.com to check it out and see how it can benefit your investment strategy. Remember, thorough research and careful planning are crucial for success in any financial market.